After 14 years in accounting practice, I've seen these mistakes come up time and time again. I've seen countless of small businesses making these mistakes. So in this video, I will highlight the 3 mistakes that keep small business owners back, and we will explore options of how to fix them. First mistake we often see is poor cash flow management. Many businesses don't fail because they're unprofitable. They fail because they run out of cash. And what causes this? Spending too much on unnecessary expenses before revenue is stable. Clients take too long to pay invoices, leaving you short on funds. No clear budgeting plan means you're always reacting instead of planning ahead. Seasonal ups and downs can catch you off guard, relying too much on credit to cover cash shortages. And how can you fix this? Create a 3-month cash flow forecast to plan ahead. Set clear payment terms for clients and follow up constantly. Reduce unnecessary spending and separate wants from needs. And build an emergency cash reserve to cover slow periods. Mistake number 2. Not separating business expenses from personal finance. This is quite a big problem, and it makes bookkeeping quite a nightmare. And it's caused because the small businesses use one bank account for everything. It makes it hard to track deductible expenses when everything is jumbled together and there's no clear picture of how profitable the business actually is. Luckily, the fix is quite easy. You just need to open up a dedicated business bank account, pay yourself a salary instead of withdrawing randomly, and make sure to use bookkeeping software to track your transactions properly. Mistake number 3, ignoring tax deductions or not being aware of tax deductions. This is caused by not tracking receipts and deductible expenses throughout the year properly, a lack of knowledge about what you can and can't write off, and maybe the fear of being audited by the tax authorities if you try to deduct your expenses. And how you can fix this is to track all your business expenses using accounting software and learn about the common deductions that you can deduct for your business. There you go. 3 minutes, 3 tips. Like and subscribe if this was helpful.